Hi there, I'm Thomas. Today I'm glad to demonstrate how to use FreeScan UE Pro2 for precision scanning in the automotive casting industry. The engine cylinder head is a critical component in automotive engines, responsible for housing the cylinders where combustion takes place. Ensuring its accuracy and durability is vital for engine performance and longevity. Here we have FreeScan UE Pro2, a wireless, portable metrology 3D scanner. In the casting industry, where every detail matters, FreeScan UE Pro2 excels. It swiftly captures complex geometrics and surface textures, crucial for detecting defects. Before scanning, let's set scanning parameters. For resolution, we can set 0.5 mm and then adjust to appropriate brightness. Now let's use 50 laser lines for comprehensive scan. By observing the rendering color of laser lines projected onto the object, we can easily check if the scanning distance is appropriate. Now is green, standing for an ideal working distance. To capture deep hole data, let's turn to single line mode. Just push the button and here we are. This mode is specially designed to scan deep holes and pocket areas. After we get the complete data, mesh it and we can save the customized scanning and meshing setting template. Setting up a customized template allows to save time and ensure consistency. If you need to scan parts with a similar surface material, instead of manually adjusting parameters for each session, we can simply load our predefined template. Okay, next cylinder head. Just create a new project using the scan template we have. The scan workflow is the same. After scanning, let's move on the inspection process. FreeScan software integrates an inspection module that streamlines our workflow. Based on the mesh data, we can create features and measure key dimensions such as length and hole radius. The automated inspection functions allows to inspect several cylinder heads at the one time, ensuring consistent and reliable inspection results. With its wireless capabilities, ultra-fast scanning speed and integrated inspection functions, FreeScan UE Pro2 is an ultimate tool for quality insurance. Inspect on the move with the FreeScan UE Pro2. For more information, product and updates, or any question about 3D scanning, please follow our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time!